Hello. Today's topic is stack in 8085 system. The stack in a 8085 system can be described as a set of memory location or a bunch of memory location in the read-write memory, which is specified by a programmer in a main program. And this memory location is used to store binary information temporarily during the execution of the program. Now question is, what is stack pointer? Stack pointer is a 16-bit register which is used to hold the memory, to hold the address of the memory location of the top of the stack. The beginning of the stack is defined in the program by using some instruction, and we can use some instruction to insert data into the stack or to delete data from the stack. So that the beginning of the stack is defined in the program by using the instruction LXI SP 16-bit data. Here SP is the stack pointer register, which is 16-bit register pair, which is actually used to load a 16-bit memory address in the stack pointer register of the microprocessor. Just example is LXI SP, FF99 hex. That means the address of the stack pointer register is loaded with the memory address FF99 hex, and the storing of the data byte begins at FF98 hex and continue in reverse numeric order. Now to insert data into the stack, we have to use push RP. Here RP is the register pair, which is actually used to store register pair on the content of the register pair on the stack. Here some example is push B, push D, push H, and push PSW. And the function of this instruction is push RP is a 1-byte instruction, and it copies the content of the specific register pair on the stack. And the stack pointer register is decremented, and the content of the higher order register are copied to the location shown by the stack pointer register. Then stack pointer register is again decremented by 1, and the content of the lower order register are copied in the location. Suppose push B. So at first content of the register B is stored into the stack, then content of the C is stored into the stack. Similarly, the operand B, which means BC, D means DE, and H means HL pair respectively, and PSW is the content of accumulator plus content of flag register. Similarly, to delete data from the stack, we have to use the instruction pop RP. Actually, this instruction is used to retrieve register pair from stack, which is also 1-byte instruction, and it copies the content of the top 2 memory location of the stack into the specific register pair. First, the content of the memory location indicated by the stack pointer register are copied into the lower order register, and then stack pointer register is incremented by 1, and the content of the next memory location are copied into the higher order register, and stack pointer register is again incremented by 1. Here the example is, suppose push B. That means the content of the memory location indicated by the stack pointer is loaded into the register C, and then content of the next memory location are copied into the higher order register, that is B. Similarly, push B, push D, push H, and push PSW, which are the instruction to retrieve data from the stack into the specific register pair. Here is an example. Suppose LXI SP FF99 hex, which is actually used to load stack pointer register with the address FF99 hex, and it is seen that stack pointer hold the content FF99. And this instruction also suggested that the stack pointer can be initialized anywhere in the memory. However, the stack location should not interfere with a program. And the next instruction is LXI H, 1234. Just simple example. That means after executing this instruction, content of H is 12 and content of L is 34. Then after some instruction which was not mentioned here, we use push H. So after executing this push H, just see that content of H, that means higher order address, content of H is stored to the FF98, then content of L is stored into FF97, and stack pointer is decremented by 1, and after executing this instruction the content of the stack pointer is FF97. Then again after some instruction, the instruction is pop H, that means data is retrieved from the stack to the specific register pair. So as now the top stack content of the top stack is 34, so this data content of FF97 is moved to register L, then content of FF98 is moved to register H. So now stack pointer content incremented by 1 when content of FF97 is moved to L, then content of stack pointer again incremented by 1 when content of FF19 moved to the register H. So now the content of stack pointer is FF99. So this is the example of instruction which is used to store data into the stack or to retrieve data from the stack. Thank you.